How to change your profile picture avatar on CoinMarketCap app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to change and edit your avatar easy and fast. So all what you have to do is go to CoinMarketCap. Now this is the home page, as you can see right here. Go down and click on your profile here, click on settings, and now go to the first option and click on account settings. Now right here you will find avatar, click on it and you will be able to change your avatar easy and fast. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.